GM everyone, welcome to another episode of Investing Analysis. Let's get started. First of all, the signals we went back from BTC into cash. That's because we follow systems and we do what the systems tells us to do. We don't trade based on emotions or based on discretionary. So let's get into the charts. First of all, oil. I have been looking into oil. I had been posting the updates inside my X because you can see oil is affecting all the markets around the globe. It liquidated massive short positions that were opening for futures open, and now the new longs that were being building at these areas are underwater. So stay away from this piece of shit, or even if you want to trade it, then you have to trade it according to the trend systems, trend following systems, because this is going to make a lot of mess in the very short term, right? So you can see oil is affecting VT each and every market, either it's S&P, it's stocks, or because oil is the main source of energy, and when oil goes higher, inflation goes higher, and these markets saw a drawdown. But if you compare Bitcoin with these markets, Bitcoin is much stronger than the other financial markets currently, and you can see the evidences uh, here. Bitcoin is just chopping around this zone while the other markets are going down, and you can see the strength on RSI basically gaining momentum, which is a good thing to see. And you can see this evidence that Bitcoin is much stronger than the other financial markets. So for me, if I analyze BTC, it's done nothing new, but it has broken down this range high as we discussed in the yesterday's analysis, and it's currently trading in the mid range. Yesterday I gave you 66.2k and 65k levels, and the price is currently respecting that level. So for my spot allocation, again, I want bit more momentum to see. I want a bit more energy to build up before it goes higher. So ultimately, I'm bullish. I don't expect lower prices. There is some probability for price to go lower, but that's less than 1%. I won't expect this low basically to be taken out, at least not for now. For now, Bitcoin is much bullish. It will go higher, but for now, I'll be waiting for it to build up some more energy so it can go much higher, right? So that's it for the charts. Let's get into the on-chain data. You can see the choppiness index. Whenever the choppiness index goes this much lower, we see great higher prices, right? You can see, just go back and check it out yourself. Now the sentiment index is very interesting to see. This much negative sentiment in the market was at 2023 bear market, 2021 COVID, and all those. Currently, a lot of traders are shorting the market. This will give much fuel to the pump that is about to come in the markets, right? The same data is available on this check on chain funding rates. You can see negative funding. This much negative fundings is usually at the specific lows. And another side of this picture can be, you can see consistently negative fundings result in consistently higher prices. All right, you can see this much cases right here. And whenever the consistently negative funding results in this red mark, this results in higher prices in the midterm, right? Same evidence present on the Willow data as we analyze this every single day. Funding rates on daily, funding rates on weekly, still highly negative. A lot of traders are shorting the market. So this will ultimately result in higher prices very, very soon. All price needs to do for now is to build up some energy in here, trap more retail traders in the name of shorts, or chop those scalpers, those mid-term day traders, make them lose money around this area, and this will give you a great green candle very, very soon, right? This all analysis is based on systems, what we see, right? So about the short term, I don't have a specific bias. Again, I don't care price goes $1,000 higher from this here, or $1,000 lower from this area. I don't care. All it needs to do is chop around this area, build up some more energy. I'll be immediately allocated back inside my spot portfolio, right? So that's it for today. We are bullish. We will be going higher soon. We will trade it. We will trade it based on our systems, right? So thanks for watching. I guess it's enough for today.